Who wants a ride? A baby janitor wants a ride. He holds onto his mom when she eats dinner. Who wants a ride? Oh, sorry. Baby spiders want a ride. They crowded onto their mom's back. A baby baboon wants a ride. That's how she likes to nap. A Warloose pup wants a ride. He rests on his mom when he gets tired of swimming. I'm going to put myself in the middle so I'm not on your way. Baby opossums want a ride. They hang on tight as their mom climbs trees. A penguin chick wants a ride. She stands on her mom's feet to keep warm. Tiny side-chilled babies want a ride. They swim in their mom's mouth to hide from danger. She lets them out again when it is safe, or when it's safe. I'm going to pause a little to say something about contractions because we didn't get to see this lesson because we ran out of weeks. The school year is almost over. But when we have any of the pronouns, remember, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. In this case, we use contractions. We could say it is or it's. Like it is here in this case. You see it apostrophe s or mom apostrophe s. That means they swim in their mom's mouth. Okay, this is a contraction. Okay, so we can read it is or it's. A kangaroo joey wants a ride. She looks out from her mom's soft pouch. A koala cub wants a ride. He holds onto his mom when he gets too big for his pouch. Baby alligators want a ride. They can ride on their mom's back or in her mouth. A baby sloth wants a ride. He holds his mom's stiff fur as she moves around upside down. A swan chick wants a ride. She snuggles in her mom's feathers. An otter pup wants a ride. He rests on his mom when she floats in the water. Who else wants a ride? I think that's it. I hope you liked today's story. This was for my group of primero second, and today is Wednesday, June 3rd. I wish you all a great day. I love you.